Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if screenshot is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta make sure you're using the correct method. That is, press the side button and volume up button at the same time. Then quickly release both buttons. Don't hold them too long. If that doesn't work, you gotta go to settings over here and then scroll down and click on accessibility. Here, scroll down and click on touch and make sure assistive touch is turned on. Here, you gotta click on double tap and then scroll down and search for screenshots in the list. So you're gonna click on screenshot. Now, whenever you double tap on the assistive touch, you'll be able to see a screenshot has been taken. If that doesn't work, you can go back to settings. You can scroll down and click on screen time, scroll down again, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you gotta make sure that screenshots aren't restricted. Also, restart your iPhone once because temporary glitches can stop screenshot shortcuts from working. If it still fails, then you gotta update your iOS from settings. So you gotta go to general over here, click on software update and make sure that it is updated to the latest version and try again. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.